Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna see about ViewChild and ViewChildren in Angular. It's been a while that I've posted a video in tech segment. Because of this pandemic, I was not able to upload any video. From here, I'll be uploading more videos on the tech segment. So without further ado, let us jump into this video. Uh, what is this ViewChild and ViewChildren? So these two decorators are will help us to manipulate the DOM elements or any components inside of our HTML. Okay. View children, like you can access a single element. View child, you can access a single element. View children will help us, manipulating multiple elements. So I'll show you in an example so that it will be easy to understand. So let us have our same example which we used in our previous Angular tutorial. So in this we have, so the application is already running. So let us go here. Okay, so all fine. So everything is working. Um, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna update this particular span when you click on save. Okay, when you click on save, I want to update this to something else. Okay, so this I'm gonna do with the help of ViewChild. So let us go into this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna create a reference here, a ID. So I'll say greetings. Okay, greeting. So I'm going to use this greeting reference inside the TS file. So what I'm going to do is I'll go here. I'll see create view child. So the view child will get imported from our Angular core package. View child of what is the reference? The reference name is greeting. Greeting. So let me say that as greet, and that's going to be element reference. So I'm referring an element here. So that's why I'm using element reference. So this greet I'm gonna update on save click. So this is the function which is getting called on save. So I'll say this dot greet dot native element dot inner HTML. So I'm gonna update the HTML, the inner HTML. Inner HTML is nothing but whatever there is in between the span. Like in this case, if you look at this, there's the span and the closing span. So within this, whatever is there, this is called the inner HTML. So I'm going to update this to, let's say, it's it's working. Okay, so let me save it. Let us jump into the browser. Let me close this. Okay, let me click on save. Something happened. What is it? It says the native element is undefined. Mhm. Yes, because we didn't save this. Because see, more often the view child and view children will be accessed inside the after view init block, because only after view init your application will get loaded, the DOM elements will get loaded, and then the after init block will get called. In that case, your element will be there for sure. So in this case, I didn't save the HTML, so that's why we were getting this that error. So let me close this console. Let me click on save. That's working. So that's a simple example for view child. So here I used element reference to access the DOM element, so nothing but the span. So let's say we have a component. So I have this component created here. This is a simple component. I'm just gonna say greeting, and let's say hello, and the name which we have passed. Okay, so this is the component which I've created. So this component is nothing but greet component. So let me import it inside our module. Yeah, that's already imported. Let me go here. Let me go here and import it. Greet component. I think it's already there. Okay. So let me see. This is greet component. So I think it's not imported. Let me import it. Okay. New child greet. So let me go inside this and let me see. This is greet the selector, and I'm gonna pass the name of the username. So let me pass that. Okay. We can remove the HTML inner HTML file and greet. Okay, so there you go. Let me save this and move into this, and it says there is an error because here we are not using an element reference. Let me remove it. Let me go here. So that's working. So we're just using the component, the greet component, so that the greet component is working because we are passing a value called this one. Let me pass the value. Okay, so there you go. What happened? Okay, that's fine. So whatever we are passing, it's displaying. That's fine. So let me make it blank. Let me save it. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna access the component. Okay. So here it's gonna be so let me print it here on the console dot log this dot create dot name. Okay, let's say hello. Okay, let's go here F12. Let me click here. So there we go. We got the error. Cannot read property of name undefined. Okay. So here, so in our, uh, while accessing the component, we have to provide the component name. So this is the component name which I'm going to access. So let's say that's greet, and that's the type of greet component. So now we'll save it, and we'll go here, and we'll see. So here we go. We got hello. So if we update any value here, so let's say I'm saying Anbuz, and we'll go here and we click on save. So there you go. We got the name as well. So how it acts, like once you click on this, the view child is accessing this particular component inside your HTML, and that HTML reference we are picking and showing that inside our um, console. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So if you have any doubts, so please post it in the comment so that I can help you out. So let us move into something else. So like without like I would also would like to show you like to update like so whatever we did as earlier. So I'm gonna do is like I'm just gonna do this dot create dot native element. Sorry. So I'm gonna ask it as let's experiment this. What happens? There you go. So I hope this explains you much better. Like we are able to get the value and we are also able to update the value inside the component. Okay, so that's the help of view child. Okay, so now I'm going to show you about the view children. So this nothing but like we are gonna uh, collect a list of similar elements. Like so, let's say I'm having two three grades. Like one is here. Like I have three. Okay, so this is for Anbu. This is for money. This is for Shiva. Okay, so we have a list of three greet elements. Okay, so in this case, so let's see what happens. Okay, hello Anbu, hello money, hello Shiva. So let me click on save. So it is updating only the first element. Okay, because it finds the element, but that's the first view child element that it finds. Okay, so I'm gonna get the list of all these greet elements. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use view children here. So view children, I'm gonna update this to view children. So that's gonna be a query list because that's gonna be a list. So I'm gonna say a query list of any. Okay, so there you go. So in this case, we should get the list of greet components inside our HTML. So let me go here and click on save. I'm gonna display all the components, all the greet components available inside our greet. So in this case, this is the list. Let me update it into a plural. That's greet. Okay, greet dot for each greet. We are gonna display on the console. Hello. Okay. So in this case, we should get three. So let me save it. Let me go back. Okay. Let me save it. See, we got three hello because we have three components. So according to your business need, so if you like to use view child or view children, so you can use either of them. So if you're gonna going for the multiple, you're gonna access multiple elements from your DOM, so then you can use view children. So you can get the list of components or the element reference, and then you can modify according to the business requirement. Okay, so hope this tutorial helps you in understanding the uh, view children and view child decorator. Uh, Probably in the next video, I'll show you something interesting in the Spring Boot segment. Um, I would like to hear from you, like what all the segment you need, like what topic you are interested in, and if there is any corrections which I have to do. So those stuffs you can like it's open to you. Like you can update me in comments that I'll correct and I'll upload any videos if you require. And thank you for watching. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, um, and spread the knowledge. Thank you.